Let's get it. Put that serum on under the eye. And now we're going to do our brows. Boom, done. Only if it was that simple for real. All right, now we're using the P. Louise base.
It's just me and you. Ooh, baby.
Because I totally had to sing that. Anyway, this is a collection from ColourPop, Lost in Love. And guess what? We're going to use it today. Hey.
Woo!
What was that for? Baby, that color's pigmented. But I noticed that it was really pink and I was going for a coral look. So I was a mixologist right up and through here. So I blended it to give it that, that coral look. Now we're doing some wing liner. Boom, bam. Only if it was that easy. Some lashes from Ardell, but I doubled them up. Number 213. And then you got to prime your face. Before you do a foundation, always prime, okay? And corrector's a must for me.
OMG. It turned pink when I wet it. Back to the regularly scheduled program.
The foundation is One Size by Patrick Starr. Gotta love it. And then Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. I use Chestnut for my skin tone and Butterscotch to highlight. And now we're using the Graftobian under eye setting. I was about to say setting spray. No. Setting powder. We're going too fast. It's such a good thing that everything I'm using is going to be listed in the caption. I'm just saying. But that blush is blushing. So we're doing this highlighter always from Ofra Cosmetics. Because come on, that's what I do. Now I'm using Chestnut Liner by MAC and OMG. This gloss from ColourPop. One kiss. Woo, baby, you better get into it. Yeah, it's really good. I like it. And of course, for Valentine's Day, we need Valentino Born in Roma. And ooh, she ready.